Hi guys, and welcome to another video of bedtime coding. So today we're just gonna be doing operator and precedence. So let's start.
Do you know what this means, operator precedence?
Maybe I'll understand it later after you tell me what it
Yeah,
is.
so it's just a nice word to say the order of how to calculate something. So let's give it an example. How do you calculate this? Like 1 plus 2 plus 3. How do you do it? You basically
Well, I just plus them together,
Yeah,
or I
so-
just go like
left to right. Yeah. So
6.
1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6.
Unfortunately, I did it from 2, 3, 1.
But usually when you start, you should go
2,
from
3
left to
equals
right,
2
right?
and 3 make 5, which makes it easier.
Yeah. Okay. So the computer only does it from left to right, right? So usually real world common sense applies. For example, this one. It's
Yeah.
like result is
4 plus 2, 6, divide by 3.
No. This is multiple.
Oh.
So if this happens, what do you do?
I would multiply. So first I would do 4 plus 2 and then multiply it by 3.
No. In real world, you should do the multiple first and then do the plus. Have you learned that from school?
Because there was no bracket.
Yeah, but even there's no brackets in real world, you do the multiply and divide first.
Oh.
You haven't been taught of that? School doesn't teach you that? Okay. That's good. So you learned something today.
That was from another school that closed.
Okay.
Almost learned something.
So
like that.
anyway, you learned something today, right? About your math. So
Alrighty.
multiply and divide happen first in real world, and then you do the plus and minus. So this is the same in the computer. And the other thing about this is there's a variable called result here. You will do the something first, and then you give the whole thing to this variable. Okay. It's not like result equals 4, you cut, and then you plus. So the result equals 10. Yeah. So the real world common sense applies. And same as in math, the parentheses help to group and prioritize things. So in this example, like we said, we need to do the multiply first. So this result is 3. Yeah? It's because we do 1 multiply 2 and then plus 1, right? But if you put parentheses, you will do 1 plus 1 first. That's 2 multiplied 2, that's 4.
I saw you have to put the bracket with the 1 multiplied 2.
No,
and
if
then
you
one that the last part.
Yeah,
at the first part still, but it's not in brackets.
No, that's the way we want to change the order. When we want to change the order, we put the brackets. Yeah. So in this case, it's the same.
I learned about the brackets from my mom.
Yeah, so it's the same 1 plus 1 multiplied 2, but when we put the brackets,
it's 2 times 2.
Yeah, it does the brackets part first. It changes the order, right?
Yeah. So
that's what all these operator precedence about. It's just about the orders, how you calculate something. So in your old coding, if you're not sure, just try to put brackets, make things clearer for you and for others to read your code. So here's an example. Do you know how this will what's the order of this? Because in computer, I just tell you because you're never gonna guess this. The AND will do group together. So if they are linked together, the AND will be together. So it's gonna calculate AND condition 1 and condition 2 first, and then we'll calculate condition 3 and condition 4, and then the result of those two, they calculate the OR. Okay, so in real world, it's doing something like this.
Oh.
Okay. So not everyone knows this rule. So if you want to make things clear, just use your parentheses to make sure people understand what you are doing. Yeah. So coding is like writing. Just make it easy for others to read. use simple sentences, use easy words to let us understand. Don't write something very fancy, complex. Yeah, you want to show off, but that's
That's
not.
for real professionals.
No, even real.
Not really.
No. Even for real professionals, we recommend people to write things simple and don't write things that's hard to understand. Okay. The simple is better. Okay. So this is a test for you. This is a piece of code that's. You can read it first.
If time Monday, if time 8:30. If not school holiday, go to school. If today equal Tuesday, if time 8:30. Seems like getting a bit too repetitive.
Yeah. So it keeps repeating like.
It's too repetitive.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then every day 8:30.
It's just a completing.
Not holiday, go to school. Anyway, how do you make this simple?
Well, if today equal Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday, if time 8:30, if not school holiday, go to school.
Yeah, so that's good.
That's a simpler way.
Yeah, that's good. But you remember you
Not the simplest.
So what you did is
The or.
the or. So today you use
Yeah,
or.
last time we learned it.
Yeah, last time we learned this. That's good. And then we also learned and. So what you're writing is today equals Monday, and then you or today equals Tuesday or blah blah blah, and then you still nested this time and holiday here. Is there another way, something extra you can do? Remember the and stuff we learned?
Yeah.
So you don't put the
You
if
sort
anyway.
of just push it down till it's just straight line.
So what you are trying to do is put all the or first. Today equals Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And you link the time and not school holiday, right? But this way, the ors won't get executed first because we, in computer, hiddenly always do the end first. So this equation becomes today equals Friday and 8:30 and not school holiday, which is this part, which is correct. Those will do together.
Okay.
But the rest, it will become today equals Monday or today equals Tuesday. Then it becomes true without the condition about all those ends.
Okay.
Unless you like this, do it in redundant way. You say today equals Monday and the time equals blah 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 and not school holiday. Or today equals Tuesday and time 8:30 not school holiday. But that's too much. So you still can use the ors. You just need to put the brackets to link all the or together, so the computer knows you do all those or together. Yeah? And then after all these are done, then you link the and those two ends. Then that's it. That's the same logic as this whole thing. Understand?
Yeah.
Remember to use the brackets to make sure your logic goes the way you want.
Can we do that on Python and then make it maybe next video? So which video? I was just thinking of your planning. Which video are we gonna first start getting creative?
After you learned a lot of basic stuff, you need to learn all these basic
Like
stuff.
how much lessons?
20 maybe? What do you want to build with Python? What do you want to build?
Well, this might be after we learn more with variables. Like, can we do something like inventory? Like a working inventory.
Inventory we can learn after you learn the next lesson, I think.
Isn't it in lists?
Huh?
So you use the list.
Yeah.
Because usually it's really stupid that a computer sometimes just forgets something forever.
That's something you need the database to do to save things.
Yeah, the database. Without the database,
That's very far away from your
the
current level.
computer is really stupid without the database. So it's the end of the video. So it's gonna be continue, and thanks for watching. Bye.